Okay, forgive me. I have just been to a workout and I'm on a busy street, so it's noisy. That's the chapel. So we are in Old Market, which is quite busy, but just around the corner is Harvey Nicks from Bristol. Sorry, Harvey Nicks, the city centre, and that is my chapel. And I'm going to come down this little alleyway just so that it gets quieter for you guys. But then I'll go back. There you go. Can you see it? Look at that. So all I want to do on this one is rejoice. Now, I've been using it for storage. I bought it a while ago. I kind of left it to one side. I got involved in all sorts of other renovations first. It's a grade 2 star listed chapel. We got planning permission and we already started the work to turn it into a 3-bedroom house. So I'm going to come down here so it's nice and quiet. And I've always wanted to focus on it rather than just do it as one of the many, many things I was involved in. And so on year 10 of being a property developer, I'm going in just now because we've been using it as storage. Joe, who works with us full time, is sorting out the storage today. We're working with the architects just to get the layout exactly how we want it, and then boom, off we go. But usually when I buy a property, I'll buy it on Friday, and by Monday I have the workmen in. This is the complete exception to the rule, and that's because it is such a special building. And I've been asked to sell it many a time because I bought it for a ridiculous price. It is the most central chapel that you can possibly get in Bristol. It's like literally 5 minutes walk from Harvey Nicks in the centre of town, and I've just wanted to hold on to it. So it's not a sensible decision in kind of economic initial terms, but it is a very sensible decision in the long run because it's going to be worth an awful lot. So let's just go and enjoy it. So I've been to CrossFit, and so I'm a little bit sweaty, so sorry, but it's probably the best thing to do because I'm probably going to go in there, have a cup of tea and help them do some of the renovation, some of the organising of things. That is the chapel. And in a couple of months it's going to start kicking off, and it's going to be a fantastic project, and I'll have you guys follow it next year. So just rejoice. And if you guys are as geeky as me, as property minded as me, then you can imagine how excited I am about it still. When I first came to see it, it was for sale at auction, and I cycled from my house to see it like on a Sunday, and I kind of got up close to it, saw the angels and the gargoyles, and couldn't breathe. I just thought it was so beautiful. So you'll see the renovation as it goes on, but I just want to celebrate today.